Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to update your password on Discord using your PC, especially after the latest update. So, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up the Discord app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look towards the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a section with your username. This is where all the magic begins. Click on the little gear icon next to your username to access the settings. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to a new screen. On the left side, under User Settings, make sure you click on My Account if it's not already selected. This section contains all your account details, including the option we need. Now, look for the Change Password button and give it a click. You'll see a prompt asking you to enter your current password. Type it in carefully, and once you've done that, it's time to create your new password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Enter your new password in the designated field, and don't forget to confirm it in the next box. Once you've filled in both password fields, simply hit the Done button. And just like that, you've successfully updated your password on Discord. Updating your password regularly is a great way to keep your account secure, so make sure to follow these steps whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions you may have. Until next time, happy chatting on Discord.